Thank you. Up ahead on the right. She's gonna get us there. Yay! Look at this. We made it. Long drive in. This looks like a fun place. I've never been here.
Yeah, neither have I. Metal detecting prohibited, so I didn't even bring it with me. So.
Oh, you didn't?
No, I think I left it in the garage.
I have one in my trailer.
Well, we're not allowed to do it here, so I kind of wondered that because this is an old military base.
Yeah, well, they probably don't want you digging up too much.
Probably.
Probably not.
Probably not.
Yay! Thanks, everybody. Everyone's saying yay. Okay, we're coming into the campground. So this is Fort Custer, Battle Creek, Michigan. And a bunch of us Michiganders are camping together for the weekend. This has been fun. Fun to meet everybody.
Yeah.
We've got woods all around us, a space of woods in between each site. It's rather private, except for poor Jamie. When Jamie and Lisa get here across the street from us, they've got that lot, and their campsite backs up to somebody else's, so there's no privacy wall there. Tina, she's on the other side of the corner here, kitty corner from us. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you've got a great site. Dennis is going to be next to us. Matt Mateo over here, Mateo Outdoors. He's 2 campsites down. Jamie and Lisa will be across from us, and we still haven't figured out where Marketplace Boutique is. She's here somewhere. We'll find her tomorrow. Yeah. You can run, but you can't hide. Yeah. We'll find you. We will find you.
Probably gonna take us 3 hours to walk through.
I want a picture too.
Well, that's a nice tripod. I'm jealous of everyone's tripod.
Woohoo! I want to be on the back.
I'm good to see you.
Man.
Wow, look, the shadow's already right here on our chests. Wow, we're getting this done just in time. Squeeze in, Andy. Squeeze over. Come on, everybody over a little. Everybody over a little.
The sun's right in my
10
eyeballs.
seconds. Everybody say trees. Trees.
Meet up.
Meet up.
One more up close. Stay where you're at. Squeeze in a little closer.
We want all heads?
Yep, don't
All
be
heads.
shy, Andy.
All heads.
Don't be shy. Okay.
Smile like you just ate dog shit.
Come on, honey, get in here. Trees. Everybody along this
The pretty weeds. Okay.
Yeah. We want green behind us.
We're going to have another one.
Tripods. Come on, honey. Okay. So let's see where we're at as far as the edge, right here.
Does this go out more?
Good, good. Looking good.
I don't want to
Right
be
there?
here. You gotta split this way. Okay.
Well, we can take a couple.
Ivy.
Everybody squeeze in. Come here, honey. Hey, trees. Trees.
I got a goofy face.
Awesome.
Funny thumbnail. We are live.
Yeah.
Live from the campground, having fun.
Trying to.
Yes, I'm having fun.
You want me to find it on there?
Sure, because
Okay.
I can't read the chat.
I know, I'm blinded to bad.
Look at what we got, everybody. We got these from Lower Michigan Adventures.
You saw it on YouTube. Are they inside or outside?
They're outside.
Okay, cool. Here they come. Come on, we all gotta go at once.
Last Truth or Shame. You have memberships. Hi.
We came to photobomb your live stream. Yes, we did.
Hi, everybody. And there's Shlisa.
Hey, you've been photobombed.
Boy.
Memberships. Hi, everybody. Yay. Yay.
Holy cow.
Everybody's here. Hi, everybody. And there's Shlisa.
Belle wants to say hi to you all.
Oh, there's
those
Bella.
glasses look amazing on you guys.
Yes, thank you.
Belle says
Holy
hi.
cow.
Let's
Here comes
see.
Dennis.
Photobombed.
Oh, she's so cute. Look at
And he's
that.
got Mateo. Mateo outdoors.
Yes.
Lisa,
Outdoors with done.
Oh,
Those are done. And Lower Michigan.
Adventures, Shlisa Shell.
Bella Lou.
Yes. Oh, that's so
everybody's
awesome, everybody. Hi, Kristen.
Okay, we photobombed her.
Oh, that's funny, guys. That's hilarious.
Oh, dude.
I think I'm turning like 5 shades of
You
red.
need to get in there by yourself with your Jimmy Boy glasses.
Awesome glasses for sure. Awesome.
Cheers. Or what did you say? Trees?
Trees.
Trees. Oh gosh, that's funny.
Oh my gosh.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks.
Bye. See you later. Oh, that's so funny.
Oh my
There you go. Okay, there we go.
gosh. Yeah.
Look at this. See if I can.
Oh my gosh.
Scary. You gotta unconnect me.
Yeah.
Why am I connected to that?
Well,
I'm full
just
charge.
off balance.
Oh, the balance.
Off balance
So this,
away.
there's a rare sighting of John by the campfire. Yay. So this is Andy's trailer. He's got a really nice fifth wheel. These fifth wheels are awesome. I wish I would have bought a fifth wheel now.
Yeah.
And I'll show you my camper. Hopefully it looks decent. There's mine. So I'm right next door to Andy. So we've been having fun. Oh, do you want to go for a bike ride? Oh, do you want to go for a bike ride? Ready, John? Ready, Andy? All right, let's go. Woohoo! We have to follow the rules. Look at the leaves are falling. It's very cold here. My ears are frozen. 3 jackets last night, several layers of clothes. I think I had 3 hats on. And then I was finally staying warm. Yeah, you are comfy. You have a nice blanket and a pillow. pretty small. I thought it'd be bigger. Okay, so that's Eagle Lake. If we want to kayak that, that's what it looks like. We are gonna try some Players Grill today, and it's got a chicken on the top. Look at that!
A big rooster. Looks a lot better.
Yeah.
I'm gonna back out of it.
You got your bowl?
I don't know. I don't know which thumbnail.
Brr, it's cold.
Yeah.
I need my jacket on. I've got my boots are on. I've got another flannel with me, a jacket.
We're gonna give this a whirl.
It's cold, but I'm dressed for the weather. Mittens on. Should be okay. Had a bunch of coffee, so I should be good to go. Okay.
You want to sit off the edge of the dock to get in?
No, I'll be fine. I got
Okay.
these boots on.
Okay.
I'm gonna sit on this warm shirt though. And I'll put you guys in here. Good morning.
There's a couple swans.
Beautiful. Yeah, I think I see like 4 or 5 swans. Can you take a picture of those swans for me?
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, they're so pretty. So pretty. Hi, Liz. I don't know.
We gotta do that.
Happy birthday, Liz.
Have a
good
great day.
There goes Backyard Trucker. We had a great weekend. Time to go home. Look at this beautiful coaster. I love it. I love it.